Okay, Assalamualaikum friends. By this video, we have one material about problem consonants. Okay, of th, okay, th and the, th and the, th and the. Okay, now let's have a look at this. We have some examples for the sounds th and the. Now, for the first, the sound s exists on three, 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 30, 30, 30. Remember, as I told you before, this is about the sounds that's a bit tricky, but you usually pronounce it when you are dealing with Arabic, right? So it's like a, ba, ta, sa, sa. It tends to be sounds. It tends to be like S sound, S. Okay, S, but it is very light. Okay, say 30, and then thousand, thousand, both, both, theater, theater. Okay, I'll repeat from the beginning. Three, three, 30, 30, thousand, thousand, both, both, theater, theater. Okay, friends, if you find it is difficult for you to pronounce, better you pronounce it by using the sounds of S, S, S. Okay, better you pronounce it by saying S at the beginning. Okay, so later you can improve it by touching your upper and lower teeth. Okay, so by saying th, th, th. Okay, th, th. Okay, 330,000 both theater. And then now let's continue to the other sounds. That is the, the. Okay, the. That is with a strong vibration, right? So this, that, these, those, there, there. Okay, I'll repeat from the beginning. This, that, these, those, there. Okay, now you can train it at home, okay, by pronouncing some kinds of examples of sentences. I mean, so we have number one. This is a thing. This is a thing. This is a thing. This is a thing. Or this a thing. This a thing. This a thing. Okay. This a thing having a bath. This a thing having a bath. This a thing having a bath. Number three. This a thing with his three brothers. 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 Right? Number four. Three things together at the theater. Three things together at the theater. Three things together at the theater. Right? And then number five. This thing's 30th birthday. This thing's 30th birthday. Alright friends, the things that you have to do after watching this video, you have to pronounce and record your pronunciation started from number 1 up to number 5. That is your task and your job. Thank you so much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.